When we get a call to replace an air conditioning system, heating, we go out and make a time to go to the customer and go out and look at what they have. We have to look at where the units are located, how they're installed, what we're up against. We have to measure for fitting of all different manufacturers have different sizes and we have to fit. So then we write all that down, we get with the customer and we explain to them our process of replacing, what we do from start to finish. We look at the ductwork, we measure, make sure it's correct for the size, and then we process to the customer is, here's the brands that we carry, here's what we recommend on the different energy ratings. The cooling process and the heating is based on the load of the structure, which we do a quick load on the house based on what's there. We can look that up and find out that what you have is right. When we replace the system, the biggest thing we're looking for you to make a decision is name brand and energy ratings. And we try to tell all customers, energy is all about how much you're going to save on your power bill. That's all it amounts to. The rest of it has to do with cooling and heating is based on something else. That we make sure that we get that right because I'm an advocate of humidity control and airflow. So with the right equipment, we achieve that. And then we send a bid to the customer with all the criteria that we put on it and what we recommend, and then it's up to the customer to choose us over anybody else. We try to, to tell them that we're going to give them the best job for the best price and the best equipment for the best price.
Munson AC.